हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम वेलकम माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। सो दोस्तों, आज आ गया हूँ गेट लाइव की तरफ से एक और न्यू प्रोजेक्ट लेकर इको। सो कैंडी ड्रॉप एक्स इको प्रोटोकॉल इको शेयर 1 million eco from the transactions. So welcome to all of you my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome my dear, thank you so much. तो उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, ठीक ठाक होंगे। वेलकम माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। सो मैं हूं आपका दोस्त एंड होस्ट क्रिप्टो चैंपियन। तो मेरे साथ बने रहिएगा दोस्तों, ताकि मैं आपको इको के बारे में ए टू जेड गाइड करूंगा और बताता ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू सो मच। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, ठीक ठाक होंगे दोस्तों। ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। सो इको आ गया है, न्यू प्रोजेक्ट गेट लाइव की तरफ से आया है मुझे। तो अभी आजकल प्रोजेक्ट ही आएंगे आपके लिए। So Candy Drop is great airdrop platforms where user can earn candies by the completing tasks and participate in the token airdrop distribution. Now it is launching to the highly accepted eco token airdrops events. You can earn candies and share a total prize pool of 1 million eco by completed spot trading tasks with a minimum individual share of 10,000 eco. Welcome my dear friends, welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you my dearest friends, thank you so much for joining my live stream. So every event time is July 2, 2025, 12:10 p.m. July 8, 2025, 13 UTC. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Welcome, Skyfall, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream, Skyfall, my dear. So, participation now. You can see the participation. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much. So, Eco. The Eco protocol unlock tournaments, glad liquidity, and breaks down the barriers of the transactions finance through the allocates flow. Welcome, gate user, my dear. Thank you so much. So this is the official page of Eco, my dear. Thank you so much for joining. So total prize is 1,006,762 participants. Even ends 1 days 2 hours. Welcome to all of you, my dear friend. Thank you so much. 13 minutes is end of this event. So registration open, events ends. You can see the complete task to the share 1 million eco prize pool and 1 million eco total and 10,000 eco individual share limits. Welcome to all of you my dearest friends, thank you so much. So you can see the this is a join task and complete task and the share price pool. So complete task, you can see active rules during the event. User who accumulate a spot trading volume of 5,000 USD eco will receive candies with a minimum of 9 candies and share in the 1 million eco prize pool. Number second is spot trading volume, buy plus sale volume. Welcome my dear, welcome Arcade user, thank you so much. Welcome Crypto Princess and Shining Star. Welcome to all of you my dear friends. Welcome to join my live stream. Thank you so much for all of you my dear friends. So this is a FAQ my dear friends. You can see the two FAQ for this. What are the requirements to participants in the candy drop? User participants in the candy drop are required to complete identity verification and click the join now button on the event page. Only after successful joining will the active date be counted. Market makers, enterprise and institutions are not eligible to participate in this event. So you can see the number one rules is join and not join. So number two, when will be candies with distribute after completing task? Candies will be distributed within 1 to 3 hours after user complete task. Please log in and check the candies obtained from candies after 3 hours Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. So now go to the official website of this project, my dear. Welcome to all of you, my dear friend. Thank you so much. Crypto Princess and Crypto Shining Star, Crypto MacBook. Welcome. Welcome, Shining Star. Thank you so much, Shining Star, for the beautiful comments. Thank you so much. Welcome, welcome. The vibe is unreal today. Pure energy and class. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Crypto Princess, confidence, content, and claim. What a perfect combination. Thank you so much for the beautiful comments. Crypto Princess, thank you so much. So, Bitcoin staking, liquidity layer, bridge stake earn. So, this is a logo of this website. Beautiful logo. You can launch now. You can see the UBTC, WBTC, and BTC. Unlock the potential of your Bitcoin. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. So this is a eco. So this is a once again new and very classy logo of Unified BTC. The fully paid unified ecosystem create unified native Bitcoin assets across different ecosystems. EcoTVL 3.304.099.3705 BTC stake BTC 3.51. You can see the BTC stake is 3.51. So this is the app and logo. Now again the beautiful logo on this BTC most powerful ecosystem. Discover winning strategic and the minimize your BTC yard on DeFi. This is a eco. You can see the eco, my dear friend. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess, Crypto MacBook, for the beautiful comments. Shining Star, thank you so much. Glad to you are enjoy the live stream. Your support means a lot. Shining Star, your live stream are just stream. There are will vibe, feeling energy. Every word hits with many. Thank you so much. So champion, honestly, you are built for this. Your confidence, your vibe, everything is just a point. Keep it up. Thank you so much, Crypto MacBook, for the join my live stream. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, Crypto Princess and Crypto MacBook and Shining Star. Eco strategic and leading. You can see the both of them. Eco strategic. You can see the staking strategic. This is eco strategic. Leading is strategic, liquidity is strategic. So number two, eco, ABTC, ZUSD, ZUSDC, APT and EAPT. This is eco leading. So now go to the next one. This is the again beautiful graph and ready to the start. Eco with earn up to 30% APA by the staking BTC on Eco multi-chain wallets. Working with DeFi protocol to create a transparent, a secure, unified BTC ecosystem. Welcome. Thank you so much. Crypto MacBook again. My live stream. वेलकम थैंक यू सो मच सो शाइनिंग स्टार और क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस की लड़ाई स्टार्ट हो गई है थैंक यू सो मच Crypto champion, every time I watch your live stream, I feel inspired. You are turning your passion into purpose. Keep going. Thank you so much again, Crypto Paco. So Crypto champion, this energy, this claim, it's rare. Stay blessed always. Thank you so much again, Crypto Princess, for the comments. Beautiful comments again and again. Welcome to all of you. So this is a wallet strategic my deposit history. You can see the eco protocol wallets. Stake BTC is select the wallet and earn up to 30% APY. withdraw any time without penalties. So this is a ATOP 7.7 APA Morapu movements. Hemi is coming soon. So ready to the explore and launch. You can see the launch. My dear, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Another awesome stream. Your vibe is so positive and your interactions with viewers make it even better. Can't wait to see more your live session. Keep shining. Welcome. Thank you so much, Shining Star, for the beautiful comments again. तो आप भी बहुत ही खूबसूरत लाइव स्ट्रीमर हैं. Thank you so much. So happy to see you live today. Your precious means a lot. Hope you are enjoy it. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess and Shining Star and Crypto MacBook. So this is a moment you can see the Eco protocol. So BTC liquidity aggregations layer. You can see the graph of Eco BTC liquidity aggregations layer. This is a layer of warmer BTC, BTC LST, native BTC. So this is again layer L1, L2 wallets. So you can see the cross and you can see the arrow of ecosystem L1, L2 and ecosystem DXIC and leading. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion. You are a natural entertainer with the rare talent. Every stream feels unique and engaging. Thank you for your making our time online exacting and full of good vibes. Much respect. Thank you so much, my dear. आज तो आपने दिल ही खुश कर दिया. एक ही दिल है, कितनी बार जीतोगे. Thank you so much again, my dear. So number second is BTC LST infrastructure layer. Unified BTC across DeFi ecosystem. This is a ecosystem layer and this is a graph on DEX 1 Eco Unified BTC Preferred DEX Eco Unified BTC DEX 2 Leading Protocol and Radio Protocol 1 and 2. Thank you so much, Muhammad Hassan Rafi. Welcome all gate user and Nawab Enterprise. Thank you so much for joining. So number 3 BTC Yard Layer. Unified BTC liquidity pools on DEX. Leading pool Eco Yardley Amplifier Bitcoin. You can see the all arrow on BTC. Go to the BTC. Leverage liquidity, staking, leading, borrowing, optimizing, single side liquidity, e-mastering. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, all of my dear friends. The way you connect with your audience is rare and powerful. You don't just go live. You create a whole mood. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess. Again, beautiful comments. And Shining Star के तरफ से again बहुत ही प्यारा comments है. Crypto Champion, loving your stream. The way you mix knowledge, humor, and the engagement is top tier. You deserve all the support coming your way. Keep it up. We're cheering. You are always on. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments, my dear Shining Star. Thank you so much again and again. Beautiful comments. Shining Star. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Crypto Packbook and Crypto Princess. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much, SB Samrat. Welcome, my dear SB Samrat. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So SB Samrat ने भी हमें finally join कर लिया है. Thank you so much, my dear. Hi bro, how are you, SB Samrat? Thank you so much, SB Samrat. कैसे हैं भाई आप? उम्मीद है खैरियत से होंगे, SB Samrat. So any ecosystem that truly in Psychonics, you can see the all of graph, my dear. One unified ecosystem backed by the top investor and partners. So now go to the next one. Join the equity side of Bitcoin. So this is a Bitcoin sides of. You can see, my dear friends. So this is I have already show you. So welcome, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So now go to the events. So champion Comping rank eco points my assets. So comping portfolio ranking. So comping is NECO Metropolitan April 10 and 2025, April 30, 2025. So this is a strategic staking APT deposit borrower bridge BTC, bridge move BTC, bridge BTC, FBTC, join Colonna strategic deposit and liquidity traders deposit ABTC, deposit ABTC, deposit ABTC and deposit ABTC. So this is a portfolio. Please connect Apotrus wallet to view the page. This is a ranking. You can see the ranking of this 10 members. You can see the R trading ranking. My dear friends, thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. Welcome my brother Crypto I. So Crypto I ने भी हमें join कर लिया है. Thank you so much. So now go to the blog. This official blog of this project, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much, my dear. Crypto Princess and Crypto I ने भी हमें join किया. Thank you so much. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. So Eco Protocol, airdrop details, reward, claim, eligibility, and timeline. Introducing Eco, the United Utility Tokens of Eco Protocol. Eco Points tutorial supercharge your BTC with strategic titles and rewards. The NECO Meotrace Aptos edition is live. Here how to level up. Join the ecosystem. NECO Eco Ambassador Program. The updates Eco Point System. Eco 2025 highlights and 2025 outlook. Whitelist, event reward system, presets, finding secure, B and Eco Nico, first whitelist, events now live. Eco pioneering BTC, Yardley infrastructure and the reach taking on AP Aptox. So now go to the number one blog for the beautiful blog. Thank you so much SB Samrat, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. हाउ आर यू माय ब्रदर, कैसे हो आप एस बी सम्राट? नहीं, कैसी जा रही है आपकी लाइव स्ट्रीम? सो इको एड्रॉप्स डिटेल्स रिवॉर्ड क्लेम eligibility and timeline. Welcome my dear, thank you so much. So eco protocol, eco airdrops, you can see the eco airdrops, my dear. Thank you so much for joining. The moment has arrived, the eco airdrops is here. As we are prepared to launch Eco Protocol into the next chapter with the upcoming TGE, we are proud to unify airdrops details for all airless contributors, community builders, and protocol users. This is our way of saying thank you to the Nekes who helped shape Eco into the what is today. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Crypto I, Crypto Champion, and MacBook Shining Star. Who getting the airdrop? We are placed to the allocate a total of 50% of Eco Total's tokens. Supply as the airdrops for the protocol user. This is a overway and expiring senders catering to the over early eco supporters. This airdrops is a recognition of your estimated role is this early stage of eco developments and celebrates of the million stones we have achieved together. 7% of the total eco supply is accurate for days 1. Airdrops rewards fully unlock and the claim at the launch of the claim and launch 8% of the remaining eco supply is receivable for the future distribution thought eco reality campaign ecosystem and partners calibrations. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the shining live stream. Welcome. This the first wave of the day one airdrops represents including active user of Eco and Eco Points contributors. Anyone who was an active user of Eco and the earn Eco Points, whether through campaign leading actives of the other points generation action will receive a share of Eco, no minimum thresholds applies. Thank you so much, my dear Shining Crypto Princess, and thank you so much for joining Crypto Princess, Crypto Eye for my dear friend. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments. Thank you so much for your joining live stream. Thank you so much, Crypto Eye and Crypto MacBook and SB Samrat. How are you, my dear SB Samrat? Thank you so much for joining live stream. So, active user or ecosystem points contribute. Any who is an active user eco and the under ecosystem thought campaign leading active or other points gathering action will receive a share a eco. No minimum threshold applies. So eco points contribute to the welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. To further ensure a more accessibility distribution, we have implements a bonus trade allocation system for a potential of the eco airdrop user who earn 100 or more eco points prior to the snapshot state qualified for the bonus trials. Welcome to join my live stream and benefits 74.248 unique address. Node snapshot was the token on 29 June 2025. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. So, campaign participation, active participation. Who have engaged with our recent pre-launch campaign with our ecosystem partnership. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining live stream. Welcome. Thank you so much, Crypto Eye, for a gift. Welcome. तो आप हमेशा ही आके गिफ्ट लगा के दिल खुश कर देते हैं. Check if you are eligible. Visit the airdrop checkers to see you if you are eligible. So now visit the websites. Note, please make sure your wallet is connected to see your allocations. Claim details right here. The ecosystem tokens airdrops will go live on 2 July. Eligible recipients and can claim their tokens by visiting these websites. The claim page will remaining accessibility on the Eco website for this foreseeable future with the official claim announcement. Share view the EcoX accounts. Eco protocol is laying the foundation for BTC FI on AP talks and Eco is at the core of it all. These airdrops markers the first step is activating or community distributing ownership and scaling participation across the ecosystem. Thank you for helping to get here. Now let's build what next EcoNeco. So this is a blog. You can see the website, visit the website and X link and Discord link and Telegram link. This is all link. So now go to the next one is white paper of these websites and this project. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my dear. थैंक यू सो मच एस बी सम्राट. आपको प्रोजेक्ट नहीं मिला, क्यों नहीं मिला? आपने मैसेज नहीं किया उनको. उम्मीद है आपको भी बहुत जल्द प्रोजेक्ट मिल जाएगा. थैंक यू सो मच अगेन. बूट्स गेट यूजर. वेलकम माय डियर फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. So this is a picture of, you can see the beautiful picture, Bitcoin staking and liquidity layer, Eco protocol, introduction to Eco. This is a Eco. You can see the beautiful Eco, my dear friends. So this is a Eco. Eco is a Bitcoin liquidity aggregations and a Yardley infrastructure layer designed to address the formations of BTC liquidity across version from such as native BTC, BTC, LSTS, and the Warm BTC is simple files, BTC integrations, and the into DeFi will maximize Yardley thought, innovations, Yardley solutions. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear. Welcome to join my live stream, my dear. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome. What is the odd of the end? Welcome. Shining its star again. Welcome. Thank you so much. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. So, eco liquidity and aggregation through the solution enable user the deposit BTC of different standard, receive eco unified BTC and can interact with the DeFi application without layering on the convolution. Bitcoin staking protocols. Eco is shameless integrate with the all native BTC layer 2. Thank you so much. Welcome my brother Discovery. So finally Discovery ने भी ज्वाइन कर लिया. Discovery का इंतजार था. Layer 2 solution, Babylon, Bsquad, BitLayer, and support version BTC liquidity staking or receiver to ensure that the BTC assets that are begin accept on the eco aggregation layer. Thank you so much, my dear Discovery. Welcome, my brother. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to join my live stream, my dear brother Discovery. Thank you so much for joining live stream, my dear. Thank you so much. Welcome, Discovery. How are you, my dear brother? Thank you so much. So, Eco LST infrastructure simplifies BTC integrations into DeFi, ensuring precise infection, deprecating risk valuations, minimize supply and the minimizing assets utilizing for the user across declarations protocol. Ecosystem is the also built the first BTC hub and the Move ecosystem to help user optimize and the maximize their Bitcoin Yardley. User can stake on Eco Yardley here to participate in versions. Yardley farming strategic to maximize the returns based on the user risk parameters Eco provides. Yardley optimization strategic like leverage liquidity staking leading drawing and the EMMSers which offer leverage BTC positive without the liquidation risk eco DeFi CDeFi interrogation leveraging coffee secure custody allows for the stable returns and the education Yardley generations. Thank you so much, my dear, for all of you, my dear friends. So this is a quick links. You can see the quick links for all this overview, eco agriculture, eco integrations, eco liquidity, risk taking tokens, eco app, docs, tokenomics, FAQ. So now go to the next one, disclaimer. Thank you so much, beginner, Ticket, SD Samrat. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion. I am a woman. Okay, my dear Discovery. Thank you so much. Okay, Discovery. Oh, thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Welcome, welcome, my dear. Discovery, SB Samrat. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome to all of you, my dear students. Thank you so much. Welcome, SB Samrat. How are you, my dear? Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome. How are you, my dear? Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome, my brother. Thank you so much. So, disclaimer is here, my dear. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. तो उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, आप मेरे प्रोजेक्ट को एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे. थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर ऑल ऑफ यू. So welcome to join my live stream. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. So the information provided in the gate book and the journal information purpose only. ECO is not regulatory by any federal on state organizations and does not offer security service in the United States. Virtual assets, security product and share display are not security and are not issue. Thank you so much again, my dear. All of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining. R, my brother. Welcome, Discovery. Welcome, Discovery. How are you, Discovery, my dear sister, Discovery? Welcome. Thank you so much. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome, Discovery. Oh, you are a sister, Discovery. Thank you so much, Discovery. You are our good friends and a beautiful supporter. So, no professional advance all actives. All the governments are smarter. Contract information provided is the not professional advice. You should seek advice from the licensed professional before making any financial decision. ECO does not guarantee expected returns. No monitoring and no federated duties. ECO is not your broker or advisor, has no fluctuated obligations to you. You are responsible for the accuracy your financial records and the risk opportunity rapid price change may occur at any time. Limitations of the liability. ECO is not liable for the any losses unless cases by their legality or faithfully are the not responsible for the validity marketable of the virtual assets of the for any damage arising from the use of service. The fullest extended permitted by the law is no events with ECO as its applies by the level for the any indirect. Welcome back, my dear crypto princess. Thank you so much again. Join my live stream, crypto princess. So crypto princess, आपको गिफ्ट मिला है अभी कोई? Thank you so much for joining live stream. Challenge with Bitcoin. So next one is challenge with Bitcoin. So one, LAC, lack of reliable smart contracts layer solution currently. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess, for flower and heart. Thank you so much for your gift. So Crypto Princess, अभी आपको गिफ्ट मिला है कोई, ये बताएं. Currently there is R3 solution. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Bitcoin smart contract layer solution. Bitcoin looks native, complex, smart contracts, compatibility with solution like RSK and liquidity networks use certifications through the integration this future this including security control with the reverse sides. Thank you so much, my dear. Rutba Crypto Zone, welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining again. So hider options. So B, Bitcoin staking protocol. Direct staking is possible with the Bitcoin proof. The work model complex the process and the required manually management of the staking operational project like stock use interact method for the staking enabling a crossing layer of warming tokens. The trustless. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friend. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, security valuation. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining live. Welcome. So number second, lack of the trustless bridge between the Bitcoin and other ecosystem. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Camila, welcome. Urke, thank you so much. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much, my dear all friends. So उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, ठीक ठाक होंगे. So Touchless Bridge aim to the minimum realize and centralize interest, but the requires some level of trust is validators on the custodian Europe examples like TBTC and Avalanche Brights, decanalizations custody and user initiative to along behavior yard the not truly trustless due to the protesters. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you. Used to the welcome. Thank you so much. Welcome to join my live stream. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear brother and sister. All of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So liquidity is too many BTC standards 80 presents. There are three different type of Bitcoin assets. A native Bitcoin. Native Bitcoins refer to the original from the Bitcoin BTC existing on the Bitcoin blockchain. It's represent to the native currency. Native currency of the network and is the from the Bitcoin existing without any additional layers. Verifications on the protocol. Welcome. Bitcoin liquidity is taking pools. Thank you so much, my dear friends. So staking token is tokenized from the Bitcoin that has been the staking and there are restaking additionals. So protocol to generate further rewards use Yardley Bitcoin staking protocols like Lamper and the Solve Real Babylon and to the staking Bitcoin and allow it the participant in the liquidity staking protocol where Bitcoin can earn staking reward, staking protocol, they are restaking in the DeFi application to generate it further Yardley or provide consolations. So number C, Warm Bitcoin. Warm Bitcoin is a tokenized version of Bitcoin BTC that's exacting a different blockchain, typical to the Ethereum blockchain. It is a token that represents Bitcoins on the 1 peg, meaning each warmer BTC in the backed by the own implements amounts of the BTC had received by the considerators. There is a increased number of BTC stand with the protocol and exchange creating different version of BTC to the server versions proposed on the liquidity staking side. Protocol like Lamber, LBTC, Sol Protocol, Sol BTC, other Phi EBTC, and Lido EBTC are emerging on the Varam BTC side. Major players such as BTC, CBTC, BTCB, TBTC, and the BGBTC are introducing from their own warping versions of Bitcoin with no sign of slowing down. The growing volatility of the Bitcoin asset is proving to be a challenge for the ecosystem and DeFi protocol making it difficult to choose, integrate, and the ensure compatibility with the assets, the formation, the hyper ecosystem growth, the complements. Welcome Tina, welcome Amir, welcome Mr. Corruption, welcome Famila 54. Thank you so much for all of you my join my live stream. Coda. So DeFi protocol as considered gripping with the issue as selecting the managing the interrogation reference BTC standards or the process that is the time consumers and the influences. So integrating BTC asset with the DeFi interrogations of the LST as the long always been providing tracking and risky from the ecosystem and the DeFi protocol BTC liquidity staking assets are the privacy explained as the SMS to the always back the one by the native blade Bitcoin and the typical can be seen in a value in Bitcoin. However, due to the complements and the different stand of the Bitcoin is taking, there is a lack of the transparency on as a native Bitcoin is a being stored and the managed as a such ecosystem and the DeFi protocol face a virtual of issue when integrating new Bitcoin assets. So number A again, depicting risk of the BTC liquidity staking tokens. There is a currently no established standard on the solution for the proof of receivers regarding Bitcoin LST, leading to a lack of transparency about whether these assets are the truly 1.1 peg into the native Bitcoin when BTC LST and the are irrigated into the leading protocol and used on the controlled for the assets and debaking would result in the debit and the potential trigger or dominic efforts across other assets, liquidity and slippage risk. When a new assets and the introduced into a DeFi ecosystem, it's currently to have adapted liquidity on the D-sets. Welcome to join my live stream again, my all dear friends. So use across DeFi protocol. This is a DeFi protocol. Usually in the rate of probability on the DeFi protocol, historical interoperability forward assets has been the sums across multi ecosystem with the low probability and the unitizes and the rates. The reason is strategic forward. This the issue of this. The assets have the little adverse responsibility to help user full leverage this the assets across different DeFi protocol. Insert the primarily focus on the seeding liquidity without the ensuring this assets usability. With the ecosystem, this approach the unwinding. The purpose of the introducing the new assets of the new ecosystem determine what the should be the valuable partnership into more a marketing gameplay. Welcome, my dear friend, Texker, welcome, beginner, welcome, all gate user, welcome, books, welcome, Jal Daldo. Okay, my dear. Processing efficiency. Because BTC LST and the warmer BTC are trading as native BTC, there is a challenge with the price efficiency from these assets. Arbit is necessary and ensure that their price are with the value of the BTC. This is a potential property for the never ecosystem where adaptability opportunity are less common without professional monitoring. These BTC assets obtain trade as the infrastructure price across them is a loss of the utility. So now go to the next ones. Eco solution, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining again, Gate user. Eco solutions. Eco Bitcoin liquidity and aggregations layer. Unlike traditional protocol, Eco is a designed to bridge BTC liquidity across different chains directly into the Move VM, EVM, and the SVM ecosystem. Or wallet solution enables user to the deposit BTC or different stands like a BTC, WBTC, and UBTC. Receive a native unified BTC and integrate with the DeFi application without relying or conversations Bitcoin staking protocol, eco staking. to the make the BTC ecosystem a safe, transparent environment for the user to stake and the develop BTC on chain and the agreements or bad actors within the specific. Therefore, the we partners up with the leading core service providing like chain like and the redstone to ensure the stability and transparency of the each BTC assets that we accept in our edge eco wallet. Those this is a eco wallet picture. You can see the BTC liquidity aggregations layer. So my dears, this is a one of user can stake native BTC and the LST and the Warm BTC assets and eco aggregations and the liquidity layer. Welcome my brother Biba. Thank you so much for joining live stream Biba. How are you, Biba? Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Good to see you, Biba. How are you, my brother? Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to join my live stream, Biba, my dear. So for native BTC EcoStock, the term them on platform like Babylon, Layer, and the Sepletic before minting the Eco Unified BTC on their user choose target chain. Eco offers version wallet solution across ecosystems such as AppTalks, Movements, Markup, Emi, and the Solana, allowing user to the stock their BTC assets and earn base yardley where engaging in DeFi activities by the staking in any of each wallets. User BTC assets are the lock on the there. Thank you so much, my dear. I am. How are you? You fine? Thank you so much. I am good, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much for your kinds of words, my dear Biba. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much. गुड टू सी यू अगेन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है आपको लाइव स्ट्रीम में देख के वेलकम माय डियर बीबा थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फॉर जॉइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम एंड थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर जॉइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम एंड थैंक यू सो मच welcome Takpet, welcome my dear, thank you so much for joining again and again my dear friends. Thank you so much for a beautiful my friends for cheering up my dear. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome. So by staking a new eco wallets, user BTC assets are locked on the main chain, enable them to participate in DeFi activities on the target chain, use eco unified BTC. So each BTC asset that's the accept. Welcome my dear, thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. So each BTC asset the accept the eco wallets, so the undergrades and the poor with the chain like restones and the full cartons and the storage category and set by the eco ensuring that the underlying BTC assets are the safe and secure ecosystem. Eco Edge, my dear, thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much. Welcome to all of you, my dear friend. Thank you so much. So there will be the real forfeit to the ensure, my dear. Ensure to the that are the unified BTC made by the eco are backed by the one by one the different BTC assets. The different lock by the eco ensure that is the dipping and the risk between unified BTC and underlying packets of the BTC assets packing. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. All of you, my dear friend, thank you so much. Welcome to all of you, my dear friend. Thank you so much. So now go to the next one, Eco BTC Yardley here. This is the second one, with Eco Unified BTC user optimize, my dear. Thank you so much. Their Yardley thought or range of the BTC product. So you can see the already BTC product, my dear. This is the Yardley product. Eco strategic. You can see eco strategic, my dear. Thank you so much. Eco strategic. Eco strategic. Welcome, my dear Biba, and thank you so much, Biba, for joining and comments me, Biba. Thank you so much for joining, and you are such a good friend. Thank you so much, Biba. Automats Yardley optimization across DeFi and integration multi-protocol for the best Yardley and brewing roads to the offering strategic like a leverage liquidity staking and the leading brewing optimization all will replacing user assets e-master hamsters. Eco EMSter is the first truly on-chain strategy that the provide user to the hold leverage position on the BTC without the facing and liquidation risk. Eco EMST is unable to the granted a higher exposure than the traditional buy the and hold strategy on the Bitcoin from its ability in issue convertible note at low cost of the compatible utilize of the on-chain convertible note and the fund strategy of the offer user a minimum of the 2.5x leverage on the BTC on the top of that ESTR being the full on-chain is available to the chair pick of the Web3 ADFs such as a leading protocol and the further lower the WACC. Thank you so much. Zero inserts coin. Welcome all gate user. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. So CDAPI, Eco Leverage, SEP, concerts, custody, infrastructures, and the enable delta natural trading. Strategic will the maintaining assets, security the providing user with the stable returns by the staking their native. BTC will the allowing them to the generated more yardly with the Eco Unified BTC on chain dual earning compatibility. Eco LST infrastructure layer. Eco offer a secure, transparent, and the efficient solution for the BTC in DeFi, implementing the integrations of the BTC into DeFi ecosystem. So this is a BTC LST infrastructure layer. You can see, my dear friend. Thank you so much again and again. Welcome, Lucas. Welcome, Skyfall. Welcome, Ribi. Thank you so much, Skyfall, my dear. Processing efficiency. Actives orbiting ensure eco unified BTC trade efficiencies maintaining its prices with the native BTC price. Welcome, Alia AI AZZ. Welcome, Make 20 Money. Number B, tapping risk. Eco unified BTC, the 1.1 BTC. Assets with the clear proof of the receivers providing depending and the bad debit liquidity and slippages. Eco ensure that the signifies liquidity across DEX, minimize slippage and the minimize assets usability, maximize utilization. We guide user to full utilize the BTC assets across DeFi protocol, boosting, providing beyond simple liquidation seeding. Thank you so much, my dear, all of you, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So now go to the next one, Eco Protocol. You can see the Eco Protocol, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining live stream, my dear. This is the Eco Protocol. Eco protocol. What is the eco? Eco BTC infrastructure unifies BTC assets, empowering BTC holding with the liquidity holders. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. So this is a picture of eco wallets. You can see the eco wallets right there. So how to receive rewards on eco? User can earn rewards on the eco platform through the following methods. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for your comments and welcome, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome. Thank you so much, my dear. So deposit BTC. You can see the deposit BTC. How to receive deposit BTC assets and any of eco wallets. Eco wallets and the platform thought the following method deposit BTC assets on the ONI eco wallets efforts, movements, markups. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Stake your newly managed Ecos unified BTC on Eco Strategic Eco Leading EMSTR from the additional Yardley and rewards. What type of the rewards and innovative are available? Eco earn up to the 7% APY by the participating on Eco Strategic on BTC LS L2 LST points when depositing Bitcoin assets on the Eco wallets, supply borrowing on the Eco lands and the staking rewards on Eco LST incentive when the integrated Eco unified BTC on the desiccation chain. Welcome to all of you, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear Biba. Thank you so much again, and thank you so much for the flower, Biba. Thank you so much. When I see eco rewards information, user can view the points by the receive the clicking on dashboard and the you can see the dashboard link is bringing BTC assets to the EcoSafe. Eco bypass trust issue by the restaking the stake BTC hash time log is the Bitcoin layer L1 is highly reliable inserts of direct bringing BTC. We also build a decentralization community based eco layer to the bridge BTC LST to the aptox and maintenance securities and the interrogate thought on the parallel process. The relies on the validators and the submitters who will the responsible for the monitoring and the verifying deposit withdraw events on the blockchain. If any validators acts actions submitters can reports and the integrate process to the block this validator. Thank you so much, SB Samrat. How are you, my dear? Again, welcome, SB Samrat. Thank you so much for joining. So now go to the next one is key advantage. So key advantage Eco Unified delivers signifies advantage for the multi ecosystem as the exclusive unified native BTC tokens across different ecosystem like aptox, movements, markers, and the HEMI. Eco Unified BTC has the potential to unlock the DeFi market by introducing new properties, boosting liquidity, and expanded yearly opportunity. So stakeholders, so value Bitcoin L as L2S, expand BTC LRS, the user across cases, chain, cross chain functions. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my dear Mithi Epoho. Thank you so much for joining live stream, my dear. For joining live stream and comments me, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear. Welcome to join my live stream. BTC holder, Bitcoin, Yardley unlock, BTC L2 rewards and Eco rewards plus ecosystem Yardley, liquidity staking Yardley and DeFi, LST and playbook for the BTC and Yardley Bronc. A Yardley Bronc permitting on the prominent distribution for the protocols. Move EVM, SVM ecosystem, net new liquidity, millions in the BTC brought into the DeFi ecosystem. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much for all of you. User 627. So now next one, the protocol architectures. Welcome user 6272. Welcome. So eco protocol workflow. Welcome to all of you. This is a eco protocol workflow, my dear friend. Thank you so much. So number one is staking BTC or BTC layer 2. User beginning with the staking their native BTC on a BTC L2 network. Babylon is staking protocol in exchange for the staking they receive BTC LST, UBTC, Pump BTC as a warmer versions of BTC. This allows them to the maintenance security of the BTC network with the simulators earning reward in the from the BTC L2 points. So number two is bringing BTC to the edge. Once user have the BTC LSC, they can bridge the BTC LST or the War BTC on each wallets open successful bringing the receive eco unified. Thank you so much Biba and SB Samrat for joining my live stream and comments. Each network form inserts BTC on FTX, MBTC on movements and MBTC. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome. At this, user can stake the ecosystem unified BTC on Eco Yard layer, Eco Strategic. Thank you so much, Biba, for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friend. Thank you so much. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much, Biba, for joining my live stream. Welcome again, Crypto MacBook and Biba, my dear. Thank you so much, Biba. So number three, Eco Yard layer at the stage user can stake the Eco Unified BTC on Eco Yard layer. Eco Strategic investors, Eco Leading, Earning, DeFi. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. So number four is ABTC is Eco Leading Aptox. User can now deposit the EBTC into the Eco Leading to the earning Yardley. Leading process allows them to ensure interest rate and the ecosystem. Eco boosts their returns with the additional APT Yardley. Number five, optional staking APT Yardley for this looking this minimize their returns. User can stake the APT Yard obtained from the Eco Leading into the Eco validators. By the doing so, then can earn an additional 7% Yardley on their stake APT, further increasing their profits. Complete workflow rewards user who flow the entry process will earn BTC L2 points. Eco points from using the protocol is taking yardly from the eco strategic APT validators rewards if the stake the APT rewards on aptox. The end to the end process showcase the version based user can optimize their BTC assets on the eco protocol from staking to bringing leading and staking once again. Eco protocol yardly. Third Eco Protocol user can combine BTC L2 points, Eco points boost yardly of 7% DeFi and additional 7% staking yardly, allowing them to generate impressive returns while monitoring security and flexibility in the assets across multi-layered and process. So next one is technical agriculture. Technical agricultures. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So this is a picture of technical agriculture. This determines legislatures and the agricultures of the eco protocol are cross-chain solution that the seamless integration between the ecosystem with the L1, L2 and the assets DeFi protocol here and details breakdowns of the key components and the process. BTC transfer via eco wallets. Different wallets. Thank you so much. UPP up. Welcome. Skyfall. Different wallets assets can be transferred from the Bitcoin network and the second layer solutions. Bitcoin L2V, the Eco wallets. Third, the Eco Bridge smart contracts VT is the receive the distribution onto the target network. Aptos movements. Market Hemi and Eco unifies BTC during the process. User are the also rewarded with the Eco points on the incentives. Eco BTCF. So with Eco Unified BTC, user can optimize and minimize their yard thought on range on the BTC, protect the Eco strategic leverage liquidity, staking leading, bringing optimization, optimizes, leverage BTC DeFi integrations, and the Eco Unified BTC unitization. Eco Unified BTC seamless integrated with the Access protocol on the Optox Morphew. Moments Hemi allowing users to integrate with the DeFi ecosystem such as the decentralization exchange DEX leading platform. Thank you so much, beginner Talbaldo. Thank you so much. So summary. The agriculture demonstrates how Eco Protocol enables to the field transfers and the unitizations of the Bitcoin across different ecosystem, unlocking a range of the DeFi opportunity by the participating in leading staking and the liquidity staking user not only optimize their BTC holding, also integrate with the broader DeFi protocol across multiple ecosystem. This the innovation bridge to the gap between the Bitcoin liquidity and the top ecosystem, bringing DeFi landscape, empowering user the granted substances returns of the enhanced and decentralization governance. So this is a white paper of this project, my dear friends. So now go to the final remarks of this project. So spot trading, price pool, price spot trading price pool rules. During the events, user who have complements ecosystem. Thank you so much again, Crypto Princess, for joining my live stream. Ecosystem spot trading volume by plus sale 5000 USDT will receive candy rewards sharing a prize pool of 1 million eco. Each user can receive a minimize of 9 candies and the minimize amounts for a single user 10,000 eco. The rewards used are as follow. Thank you so much for joining again, gate user. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining my live stream. So Lokashi is on fire, my dear. Thank you so much, Chutke. So Eco Trading volume 5000 USDT 1 candy, Eco Trading volume 7000 3 candy, Eco Trading volume 10,000 5 candy. So I have a 5 candies. Check introductions. The Eco protocol is based on the move Bitcoin staking and liquidity. Infrastructure for the B user on goal is the partner with the Bitcoin L2 LRT assets holders. and institutional partners who need innovative risk-taking solution to enhance the liquidity of their BTC assets. For the C user, we focus on the individual holding BTC on assets with the BTC ecosystem seeking yardly opportunity and enhance assets liquidity. So last one is the nodes. So this is the all nodes for the this project. So you can see, my dear friends, for the carefully. Number one, participants must click the join button on the event page. After successful joining the event, this must complete the event task and identity verification to receive rewards. Number two, rewards will be the issue to the user accounts within the 14 working days. After the event ends, within the total rewards of the 1 million eco, it is a static probability to the registered multiplayer accounts in the plug image in the Michaelis volumes, manipulation, self-buying and the ceiling measured trading and the other cheating behavior. Multiplayer accounts of the same user will be regarding as the same account sub-accounts and not allowed to the participant in activities. Number 4. Market makers, enterprise, and the institutionals are not allowed to the participant in these events. Agent accounts cannot participate in the friends invitation activities with the other activities with the unregistered. Number 5. In case of the any dispensary between the translation version and the English version shall forbid. Number 6. Gate has the final interpretations right for this event. Number 7. User registers across may not across the all of the parts of this service, including participation in these events of the competition. For the details information regarding resistance across the please read user agreements. Number 8. Risk warning. The last and very careful. User must be attention to the fact the virtual currency traditional in the influxes. The market is highly volatile and the price fluctuation are difficult to the predict. Please be the aware of the risk and trade constantly. So Gate team joined July 2, 2025. Gateway to crypto trade over 3,600 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly and easily on Gate.io. Take action now. स्टे कनेक्ट एंड ट्रांसपेरेंट सिक्योरिटी. सो दोस्तों ये था आज का माय फ्रेंड्स. यू कैन सी द ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. दिस इज द ऑल यू कैन सी माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. गेट लाइव कैंडी ड्रॉप इको प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू दे रहा था आपको. सो आई होप यू एंजॉय द माय प्रोजेक्ट. सो जिन्होंने मिस कर दिया वो मेरी लाइव को मेरी एंड होने के बाद दोबारा देख सकते हैं. सो मैंने इसके ऑफिशियल पेज पे भी बात करी, फिर मैंने उसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट दिखाई, आपको वाइट पेपर के बारे में भी जिक्र किया इसके. सो हर चीज़ आपको A to Z दिखाई. सो दोस्तों आई होप यू एंजॉय माई लाइव स्ट्रीम. सो कैंडी ड्रॉप एक्ट इको प्रोटोकॉल इको शेयर 1 million इको फ्रॉम द ट्रांजेक्शंस. सो वेलकम, थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस, अगेन एंड अगेन वेलकम. सो दोस्तों अब आपसे होगी कल मुलाकात एक न्यू प्रोजेक्ट के साथ. तो बहुत अच्छा लगा आप सब दोस्तों का लाइव स्ट्रीम ज्वाइन करने का और कमेंट्स करने का. क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस, क्रिप्टो आई, क्रिप्टो मैकबुक, शाइनिंग स्टार, बीबा एंड डिस्कवरी एंड एसबी सम्राट एंड ऑल गेट यूज़र जिन्होंने कमेंट्स किए, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा और बहुत ही आज मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम मेरे प्रोजेक्ट पे रौनक लगाई आप सब दोस्तों ने. सो कल आपके साथ न्यू प्रोजेक्ट के साथ हाजिर हो जाऊंगा. सो तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखें. गुड बाय, अल्लाह हाफिज़, गॉड ब्लेस यू and your family, my dear friends. Thank you so much again for joining my live stream, my all dear friends. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.